And good day. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org for any and all of your SEO needs. In today's video, what I'd love to go ahead and share with you is some complimentary, free, do follow, high authoritative, high DR, high trust flow, high DA links that you can go out there and build complimentary. They're free. You just have to spend the time. Now, a small caveat. I just want to point out that not all links are for everyone. Regardless of the type of industry you're in, you might be able to look at these links and take a look and figure out, hey, these links would be great for my asset, but some of them might not be. Now, what you want to do in order to understand if a link is going to be good for you is you need to check out either inside of SEMrush or inside of Majestic and take a look at your competition and figure out, well, which category is my competition primarily building their backlinks in? Is it the business category? Is it arts and entertainment? Is it Europe? Is it automotive? What kind of links? All right. Now, with that being said, all right, I want to share with you some easy to obtain free backlinks that are high authority. First and foremost, let's go ahead and open up Square Blogs. Squareblogs.net is an opportunity. This is a very easy link to go out there and build. What you'll want to do is go to squareblogs.net, and then you can literally click on the Join Us button here or up here. This is in a high authority backlink where you can create your very own blog just for yourself. And the best part is you'll be able to control the narrative of the backlink. Meaning I can create the title tag, the anchor text, the text. I have the opportunity to go in there and change out the information to make it very high relevance. Let's move into the very next backlink that's going to be high authority, do follow, and of course, my favorite part, free. So the next one here is going to be EasyFi. That's EASYFIE.com. So I want to point this out too. I'm in no affiliation with any of these sites. So it's completely up to you to decide if you want to create a blog on these, a website, create the links, point them at your site, don't point them at your site. I'm just sharing them with you. Okay, these are ones when I'm looking at competitors' backlinks, I saw, hey, high authority backlink. I made a small little list for myself and I shared a portion with you. Okay, so the next one is EasyFi. Again, you get a profile. You can also create a small little blog, but it's a double whammy link. So it's up to you to decide how you want to utilize this or if it's even for you. So we'll go to EasyFi/login. Where you would probably want to go first, though, is register. So as you can see here on the EasyFi.com website, there's actually a registration button here. So what you'll want to do is register the account, double check and double verify the email. You'll get the profile, like I mentioned, but then you can also build on top, get your own free website. High authority site. Very, very nice. So check it out for yourself. It might be for you. It might not be. Let's move on to the very next one. So the next site is writeblog.net. Now, I'm sure you can figure out what this one's about, right? But this is another opportunity for you to get a free link that can be topically relevant. And on top of that, if it fits your category of backlink, could be an excellent option for you. But please note, this is just one referring domain, one, right? You generally need quite a few in order to build a backlink profile. I'm just saying, all right? So this could be a free one for you. So take a look here. When we come inside of this site, they got a lot going on here. As you can see, they got some jump links over here on the side. But what you're looking for when you come in here is they have the join. If you click this button here, they also have a small menu. So inside of here, you can create your very own little blog solution. You get a page that's high authority, and it's free. So great option, another great option. So let's take a look at this. We're switching flavors here. Different type of backlink, but still authoritative, still free, and still do follow. Now, this is more up the alley of getting a business listed, right? But it is a do follow. It's easy to register. As you can see here, there's a account here. You can go ahead and set this up for yourself. And what's great about this is they actually have a network. So when you push a link in here or a listing inside of here, you'll end up getting quite a few links, and it's pretty clean for now, right? So I want to point this one out to you. This is 2FL Online Business for Sale. So they say, so you can list your business, select your region, select your business type, put your information in here, and you will get a do follow link that's high authority. Another great option if it is in your category. This is crucial because I get messages when I make these free videos, and this is why I'm pointing this out multiple times. Not all links are for everyone. This may be for you. It might not be. It's for you as the webmaster to decide. Okay? I'm just here to share this information with you. Not everyone has access to all the tools like I do, right? Not everyone's looking at this every day, but they're looking for link opportunities, which is why you might be watching this video. And I want to share an opportunity with you, all right? If you take it, great. If not, that's okay too. Let's move on to the next. So we have Site 123, a fan favorite. I've seen this on so many lists, and it's a nice option, right? Again, they're very general. So this can really fit a lot of people. You get full customization of the website. They have a nice little builder. It's easy to set up, easy to maintain. You get a free link that's authoritative. Again, another opportunity for you. And we'll move on. I have one last site for you. This is going to be, depending on how you set it up, this is a profile. All right, and this is credly.com. You get a profile. You get a do follow link. I think the AS score, SEMrush's authority score, is a 60. Astronomical score. It's a do follow, and I think you get two options. You get a small profile, but then you get a business. I think they call it a listing or a profile of some sort. So it's 2 for 1, right? You get a subdomain and then you get your own, right, on their site. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I thought I had one more. I might have closed it down, but there's 7 total. Here, let me, if I didn't share it already, here, let me give you another one. Bear with me. Let me take a look here. I got another one for you. Stick with me. Here you go. I don't know, maybe I didn't open it up. It's bravejournal.com. Again, another fan favorite. I'm sure a lot of people have seen this one in the past, but this is Brave. Oh, it used to be called Brave Journal. Did they change it just like that? Anyway, I've led you to the well. Here it is. Now they're calling it bravenet.com. I just copied it as Brave Journal. This is bananas. Another opportunity. Register your account here, okay? You'll be able to create with this builder here. They give you your own little free site. You'll get a profile and a site, depending on how you decide to set it up. Another option. It was high authority, but I believe it was called Brave Journal when I copied this down. But here it is. So now I've given you 7. Do follow at the time of making this backlinks. They're not for everyone, but they are do follow. They're easy to get and they're high authority, so they could be a great opportunity for you. Just to wrap this up again, my name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. If you have any questions related to SEO, backlink building, off-page SEO, anything, never hesitate. Feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. I love answering questions. I love to help you. Feel free. Ask the questions. You need any help with anything? You have lots of options here on my site, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Off-Page SEO, How to Get Free Backlinks video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.